Hey everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. If you're new to the channel, my name's John. I sell postcards full-time on eBay. I've been on eBay for about 24 years. I'm retired, so this is what I do. This is my life now. I'm going to try to do these daily what sold videos because I sell 200 plus postcards in a week, and it's just tough to show you, all the postcards and what you need to keep an eye out for. So let's go ahead and get started with the sales from yesterday, which was the 15th of December. So as you can see on the screen, 19 orders for fur $141. Nothing on hip, nothing on Del Camp. I'm not fretting. This is half to a third of what I had made earlier in the week. I'm not worried about it. Just the fluctuations with eBay sales. Not everybody is out every day looking for little pieces of paper. So I'm not worried about this. I'm not going to drastically do anything because my sales dropped by half from yesterday. So you shouldn't worry about it either. Don't go trying to fix things that aren't broken. So before we get into the sales, go to a postcard club meeting or a postcard show. There are links down below. I'll put those in every day so you can go to those sites and see when and where the next postcard show is. So first card, Pennsylvania. This is Latrobe, Ligonier and Main Street Bank, 1920s. So this is a white border era postcard, a little bit rough condition. It sold on a best offer for $6. Next is Iron River, Michigan. Greetings from Iron River, Michigan. Dear photo, real RPPC, real photo. You can see I had something on my lens here, a little bit of a white scratch. So make sure you're always cleaning your scanner, the glass in there. I always use lens wipes for glasses. They work just fine. So anyway, this deer, $7.50 on a best offer. These next two went to the same buyer. This is Baltimore, Maryland Confederate Soldiers Monument. This was removed 3 or 4 years ago. So $8, and then another one of Confederate Monument in Baltimore. Not sure if this is the exact same one or not. $5 for that one. Okay, next is Old Orchard Beach, Maine, Jackrabbit Roller Coaster, Amusement Park, Coke. So I tried to jam as many keywords in there as possible. Got a little bit of foxing on the paper. Old Orchard Beach Amusement Park. I always thought it should sell so much better than it does, but it doesn't. I can't explain it. But anyway, nice roller coaster postcard for $7. Miami Beach, Florida, Essex House Hotel Art Deco, 1951. It's a linen. I always pick up Miami Beach postcards. Let me see. I paid whatever 90% off of $2.50. That's from a dealer who passed away. $6.74 for the Miami Beach Hotel. This is the Dallas, or the Dalles, maybe, in Oregon. Vintage Town, Street View, Standard Shell, Texaco. So all these gas stations I put in for keywords. You have people who collect postcards just with gasoline stations in them. $6.99 for that card. These next ones all went to the same person. Actually, that previous one may have gone to the same person. The person who bought these told me that they are an artist and they use these street scenes in their paintings. So I encouraged her to share one of her paintings with me whenever she gets them done based on these postcards, and I will share them with you. So this is a street view from St. Johnbury, never heard of it, Vermont. This is probably late 60s, early 70s, probably 60s. Street View, $6.99. Actually, I think it was a best offer, a little bit less than that. Omaha, Nebraska, 1950s, 16th Street View. And these are all old cards. I can tell by the blue background. I used to take those when I was at work at lunch. This is Madras, Oregon, 1950s Main Street Business District View. Shops, cars. I don't think I put in Texaco, but a lot of keywords in here to look for. $9.99, but there was a best offer. This is Okinawa, Japan, Sugarloaf Hill, vicinity of Naha. Real photo. Paid probably $1 for that. Got $10 for it. Providence, Rhode Island, bowling alley interior, circa 1950s. So there's a bowling alley. And this is actually kind of going local. So what I've been doing with people who live within a 50-mile radius of where I have my antique booth, I've been putting in, I know you're not going to be able to see it, but I put this little sticker on the back of the envelope that says, hey, come visit this antique mall because I have 30,000 postcards there. And then if also they're local, this isn't going to be show up very well on the small screen. This is the postcard, an old postcard for our local postcard club. So I'll stick one of these and that sticker so they know to go to a postcard club or come see my antique booth. So anyway, $5.99 for that card. Alamogordo, I don't know why I couldn't pronounce that. Travelodge, this is New Mexico, 1950s, possibly along Route 66. It is not. I would have worked that into the title if it was. Let me see, $3.50 for this card, and it is old, probably 6 years. It's been in my store. Next, Nova Scotia, Canada, Halifax. This is the Canadian Bank of Commerce in Halifax, Nova Scotia. So this is going back to Canada, and it was $9.39. Next, Martinsburg, West Virginia, First Church United Brethren in Christ. I have a whole bunch of these. This was the first one to sell, and it sold for $3.99. Walpole, New Hampshire, Town Hall has Bell by Paul Revere. So that's their claim to fame for this church. And it was $6.99. Next, another one of those military humor. Sailor getting a shot in his girl tattoo. $2.99. And this is World War II era Pledge of Allegiance, Army, Air Corps, Marines, Navy, circa 1940s. These are always good sellers. I have a whole stack of them. And this one for $2.99. Got it in the postcard auction in August. Whole big stack of them. And this last card is this is really old. Old postcard, Kansas, Wichita Little River Dam. This is back when I thought minimalist titles worked. This could be 8 to 9 years on eBay. $4.99 for that card. So relatively easy packing day. Took me about 15-20 minutes to get everything packed and shipped out. Okay, come back tomorrow for another What Sold. I have a feeling it'll be even shorter than this one. Thank you for watching.